Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're discovering present perfect tense together. Let's dive into this new episode. This is me and this is my Uncle Will. We haven't met for a year. He has been an engineer for 25 years. He has lived in Istanbul for many years. Today we're drinking coffee and talking about our experiences. Uncle Will, have you ever been to Paris?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever sung in front of strangers?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever met someone famous by accident?
Yes, I have. I have met a famous actor.
Have you ever kept a secret for many years?
Yes, I have, which I can't reveal just now.
Have you ever cooked a dish so good that people asked you for the recipe?
Yes, I have. I have cooked for my foreign friends and they asked me for the recipe. I have cooked some traditional dishes from my own country.
Have you ever visited a place that completely changed the way you see life?
A place that I have visited. Yes, I have visited a natural hotel that changed my mind about staying in nature.
Have you ever shot a gun?
No, I haven't. I have only held a gun.
What's the strangest food you have ever eaten?
Yes, I have tried chikofte with raw meat.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
No, I haven't, but I have ridden an elephant.
Who in your family has helped you a lot?
My father has helped me a lot in my life.
What's the best movie you have ever seen?
Oh, that's a difficult question to answer, but I have watched Forrest Gump.
How many mobile phones have you had so far in your life?
I can't vividly remember, but I guess I have had over 10 mobile phones so far in my life.
How many books have you read so far this year?
I have read 2 books so far this year.
How many close friends have you had so far in your life?
I have had just a few friends.
What about your wife? What interesting things has she done so far in her life?
She has traveled to so many amazing places, more than 30 countries so far.
Has she ever done anything dangerous?
Dangerous? No, she hasn't. She usually avoids doing dangerous things. But if riding a roller coaster can be a dangerous act, then yes.
What about your best friend? How long have you been friends?
My best friend and I have been friends since childhood.
Has he ever forgotten your birthday?
To be honest, he has never remembered my birthday.
Thanks a million, Uncle Will.
No problem.
As you can see, we can use present perfect tense in 5 different situations. Number 1, life experiences. For example, she's never ridden a horse. Number 2, unfinished time periods. I've read 3 books this week. This week isn't over yet. Number 3, recent actions with present results. I've lost my keys. I don't have them now. Number 4, repeated actions up to now. I watched that movie 5 times. Number 5, changes over time. Your English has improved a lot. To make present perfect sentences, we use subjects plus have or has for positive and haven't or hasn't for negative sentences, followed by past participle form of the verbs. For subjects I, you, we, and they, we use have, and for subjects she, he, and it, we use has or hasn't, followed by the past participle form of the verbs. For example, I have tried sushi. You have lived in Istanbul since 5 years ago. We have been friends for 3 years. They have worked together for 10 years. He has owned 3 mobile phones so far in his life. She has read 5 books so far this year. It has rained a lot so far this year. To make negative sentences, we add not after have and has. I haven't tried sushi. You haven't lived in Istanbul since 5 years ago. We haven't been friends for 3 years. They haven't worked together for 10 years. He hasn't owned 3 mobile phones so far in his life. She hasn't read 5 books so far this year. It hasn't rained a lot so far this year. To make the question form, it's enough to put have or has at the beginning of our sentences. For example, Have I tried sushi? Have you lived in Istanbul since 5 years ago? Have we been friends for 3 years? Have they worked together for 10 years? Has he owned 3 mobile phones so far in his life? Has she read 5 books so far this year? Has it rained a lot so far this year? There are certain time expressions that often come with present perfect sentences, including recently, before, ever, never, just, already, yet, since, for, so far, up to now, and lately. Recently means in the last few days or weeks. Have you seen him recently? Before means at any time in the past. I've seen that movie before. Ever means at any time in your life, and it's usually used in question form. Have you ever eaten sushi? Never means at no time in your life. I've never ridden a horse. Just means a very short time ago. I've just finished my homework. Already means before now, earlier than expected. I've already eaten dinner. Yet means until now, and it's usually used in question and negative forms. Have you finished your project yet? Since means from a specific point in the past until now. I've lived here since 2015. For means for a length of time. I worked here for 3 years. So far means until now, emphasizing progress. I've read 3 books so far this month. Up to now means from the past until this moment. I've been lucky up to now. Lately means in the last few days or weeks. I've been very busy lately.